Here in the magnificent forest, all is peaceful, all is calm, all is perfectly ordinary. The birds are singing, the river is flowing, the flowers are doing whatever flowers do. Excellent work, flowers. And here we observe Bernie, the bear. He believes himself to be the most important creature in this entire forest. We will not challenge this belief. Not yet. Bernie has woken up. He is stretching. He is very pleased with himself. As always. He has announced, to nobody in particular, today is going to be a great day.